Hello, my name is Gail Weaver. The 10th row is waiting, so let's start our cozy tatting evenings. This is our row, and here is my start point. So ring, chain, chain, ring, chain, 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 and so on. And the only moment I want you to pay attention is joint picot between two chains here, like we have here. So please don't miss that. So you need just to make 3 double stitches here according to our pattern and make a joint picot between chains in this row. So here's our 3 double stitches and make a joint picot as usual. And continue your work. And don't miss 2 joint picots here when you will make the ring. So 6 double stitches, joint picot, 2 double stitches, 6 double stitches, and then close the ring. And again, you need to make a joint picot here with 2 picots at the same time. So yeah, that's the only moment I want you to pay attention. And this is the result of our row. If you'd like to support me, please scan this QR code or visit my Etsy shop. Thank you for watching, and as usual, like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Bye!